Hey friends, welcome back to the Quizzer Cat. Can you guess all the movies by their pixel art? We have prepared 50 really exciting puzzles at 3 difficulty levels. Subscribe and let's get started with easy levels. Can you guess the iconic movie from this pixel art? Of course, it's Back to the Future. What a great start! How about this pixel art? Guess the movie. Yes, it's the new Super Mario Bros. Movie inspired by the legendary game from Nintendo. Another easy level, a house and a boy. Which movie does this relate to? Wow, it's Home Alone, a film that's always a joy to watch with the family. So many pink hues. Which movie could this be? It's the Barbie movie, a true blockbuster of 2023. Feeling the magic just looking at this pixel art? Guess the movie. Of course, it's Harry Potter, an enchanting saga that never gets old. What about this one? Finding Nemo. Correct. Ooh, there are ghosts here. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Awesome. Recognize this room? Try to guess the movie. It's Toy Story, a story that brings toys to life. You surely know this movie. Of course, it's The Lion King, a tale of bravery and self-discovery. Level 10. Which movie does this pixel art remind you of? Jurassic Park. Nice job. A house lifted by balloons? Couldn't be simpler. It's the movie Up. Correct. Now for a classic of all times. Guess this movie. Yes, it's Titanic. A snowman, a reindeer, the cold. Which movie does this relate to? Frozen, a frosty adventure filled with songs and magic. A man with a suitcase. Who could it be? It's Forrest Gump. Awesome! This film is truly old and globally known. The Wizard of Oz, a magical journey down the yellow brick road. How about this one? Yes, it's Spider-Man, my favorite superhero movie series. A guitar and a skeleton. What movie is this? It's Coco, a beautiful story about family and dreams. Another world-famous animated movie. Yes, it's Aladdin, a tale of wishes and adventure. This film got a new lease of life very recently. What is it? It's The Little Mermaid. Another easy level. Red or blue? Recognize the movie? The Matrix, a mind-bending journey into reality and illusion. Raising the difficulty to medium level. Guess the movie. Great. It's Shrek, an unconventional fairy tale with a heart of gold. Do you know this scary movie? It's the movie It, and that infamous clown, Pennywise. The author of this story is a world-famous writer. It's Cinderella, an animated film based on Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. Do you know this movie? It's Alice in Wonderland, a whimsical trip down the rabbit hole. Another legendary movie series. Yes, it's Star Wars. What about this one? Pirates of the Caribbean. You're right. What movie does this rabbit symbolize? It's Zootopia, a bustling city full of possibilities. This city is truly grim. This city is called Gotham, and the movie, Batman. Any ideas about this movie? Yes, it's Tangled, a story of freedom and adventure. Next movie. It's Indiana Jones, a thrilling chase for ancient treasures. Can you guess the movie from this cold and romantic atmosphere? Yes, it's Beauty and the Beast, a tale as old as time. Another iconic movie. Can you guess it? It's The Shawshank Redemption, based on a novella by Stephen King. Guess the movie from this pixel art. It's Ratatouille, an animated film about a culinary rat. How about this one? Any ideas? It's the Polar Express, a magical train ride to the North Pole. Dust and a scorching desert. Know this movie? It's Mad Max. Correct. Try to guess this movie. It's Kung Fu Panda, a tale of courage and dumplings. How about this animated movie? Despicable Me, a story of an unexpected hero. Any ideas? It's The Lord of the Rings and the Eye of Sauron. Who's hiding in this adorable costume? Well done. It's Paddington Bear. Another iconic film of all time. Recognize it? Yes, it's the Terminator. I'll be back. Now it's time for the hard levels. Guess the movie. It's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Awesome. How about this creepy corridor? Which movie does it remind you of? It's The Shining, a chilling journey into madness. Try to guess this movie. It's Twilight, a tale of love and vampires. Look at this luxury. Which movie does this pixel art remind you of? It's The Great Gatsby. Any ideas? Great. It's Interstellar, a voyage beyond the stars. If you're a horror fan, you definitely know this movie. It's Scream. How about this one? Do you know this movie? Planet of the Apes, a battle for survival and freedom. Now even harder. Can you guess this popular movie? Yes, it's Avatar, a stunning world of wonder. Guess the animated movie. Wow, it's Stuart Little, a little hero with a big heart. And now, for the final level, guess this legendary movie. Recognize this movie? Write your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more quizzes like this one. Now, choose your next challenge. Good luck!